How to remove WhatsApp blocked contacts. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Make sure you're logged into your WhatsApp account. Now click on the chat of the person you blocked. After you're in the chat, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on their name at the top. After you click on their name at the top, it will open this page. Here, click on the three dots at the top right and click on View in Address Book. After you've clicked on View in Address Book, it will lead you to your contacts. Then click on the pencil icon at the top right corner of your screen in here. After you click on the pencil icon, it will open this page. Here, click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen, you'll find options pop up. Click on Delete and press on Move to Trash. After you've done that, open WhatsApp and hold on to the blocked person's chat. It will be selected. After it's selected, click on the trash bin option at the top. After you've clicked on it, press on Delete chat and everything will be deleted. This is how to remove WhatsApp blocked contacts. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.